Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your TD Bank's online banking account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar type in td.com and hit enter. Then it will take you to this page right here, which is the official homepage of TD Bank. Now, what you have to do is, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see an option named Personal. Click on it. And then on the right side of the screen, you can see two options: Easy Web Online Banking and Web Broker Online Trading. Click on the first one, which is Easy Web Online Banking, and click on Login. After that, you'll have to enter your username or access card, then your password, and once you click login, you'll be successfully logged in to your TD Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.